We will guide you through how to make Miro boards. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, turn on your computer and connect to a stable internet connection before beginning the process. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Miro website. Sign into your Miro account using your preferred login method. Then wait for the Miro dashboard or workspace to load completely. Once the dashboard appears, locate the Create New button on your Miro dashboard. Click the button to open the available board creation options and review the choices displayed. Select New Board to start creating a blank Miro board. Wait for the new board to open and finish loading before adding anything to the canvas. If you want to start with a predefined board layout, choose a template from the available options. After reviewing the templates, click the X button to start from scratch instead of using a template. Enter your board name on the upper left corner of your screen so you can easily identify the board later. Choose a clear and useful name that describes the purpose or subject of your board. Next, explore the Miro toolbar to find tools for adding content to your board. Review the available tools and select the ones that match the type of information you want to organize. Add text, sticky notes, shapes, or emojis and stickers to build the content of your board. You can use text for headings, sticky notes for ideas, shapes for visual organization, and emojis or stickers for additional visual details. Arrange the added elements on the canvas according to your preferred layout. Move items around the board, place related information together, and organize the content so that it is easy to understand and navigate. Take a moment to review the board and make sure the content is positioned correctly. Finally, confirm that your new Miro board is saved and ready for use.